Come test drive the 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLE. The GLE comes with a full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, heated front seats, CD player. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.